Bueno, gaur honekan pentsauta grabatzea, baina leku kurioso bat etorri naiz. Bitu. Rollo... Ez dakiz hostia hau. Zo, esango du. Txe. Txe esatek. Arroak izuen ze koño dan hau. Txe esatek. Koño. Puta idea. Hemen esan diate tximuan lekura aldetela sartu. Baina kontu zibiltzeko belaretakoa lapurtu, belaretakoa gartzituela. Eta tximuak... Nei errespeto handia emate. Ez dakit ikuste zuen, da loro bat, eta tximuak abizkarrean. Ez dakit jolasten nahi dian, o peleatzen nahi dian. Egen ditu epakiak. Izatek. Kamera nahi du, Tximutxua da, eta beste kaiolan bageio bendikan. Pasa. Xe, lako aldia zuateatzen. Ahí. Agarra. Vale. Oso ondo. Bai, barkau, baina nik unak. This tried to steal me the camera. He jumped like, wow.
Oh, she likes.
I was so scared.
I don't know. No scared. Oh, this is the hot bite.
These are good?
Salam.
Hey. Hello. Yeah, you tried to steal me my camera.
Squirrel monkey.
Squirrel.
Yeah, this
I know that one. That one is like, you know Pee-Pee?
Yeah.
Pee-Pee, the TV series.
Ah. Yeah, because the famous in the social. Yeah, everyone know that.
I think I'm not going to inside,
But
I'm scared about the monkey.
they sure jump on you. But I think they will like your earring.
Yeah, I know, yeah. No, I won't.
Okay.
I won't. Bambi.
Hey, go!
Kaguen.
No.
Dana nahi sartu. Bueno, hemen dago Pipi Galtzaluzen laguna. Chaval, es que salto india gaña.
No earring.
No earring?
Yeah. Sure. Monkey jump, but bird jump. Bird jump and then...
I mean, I need to keep calm.
But I say to you, be careful for the bird.
Baitu, lasai dao.
They like, they just only take first.
Ni bazparen ere belaretakoa tapauko eto. Yeah, it's really friendly.
Yeah, but friendly more than that.
I can touch him. Hello. Sorry, I thought that you were...
Sometimes first.
Oh, me too. Se polita. Hey. Aquí estoy enchalado. Xe. Bai. Nola ibiltzean, Do they have names?
This one, Bowley, the
Bowley?
big one.
This is
And
the big one.
Yeah,
Ah.
Elsa 11
Elsa.
months. This one 1.5.
Ah.
Yeah, she old. But they from Africa. They is not our country, but they born in Thailand.
Okay.
Yeah, the owner buy. But for the big one, before they have the Russian owner,
Okay.
and then Russian go back the country,
Oh,
and they cannot take them.
care of them.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, and then they come to our place. They say,
Then you adopt them.
They left. But the first week they not play
Hello.
sad, you know. but
Yep.
3 months now it's okay. They can play with each other. They can together.
Honai, intentzio txarra ikuste izkiot. Ze politxa gana. Así me cago en Dio. Hello. Hostia. Ematetu ez susto batzuk. Hello. Yes. You're my friend. You're my friend. Don't steal me my earring. A ver, nola iten. Ikuste zue, Hala, bain bera. Hello. Beste parrot bat. Hor, bain tximuak inhaten. Come here. Hala. Eske ja laguna gea, Argazki hasi gea, baina ja, eske ja lagun mina gea. What's the name of this?
Boli.
Boli. Hey, Boli. Boli. Opa. Lokura. Hemen gauza bat esateko, aprobetxakoet, betian pentsatu izan detena, hauntzan inguruan. Osea, hauntzan kakan usaia, ez zaizu...
Same. The feet same.
Ah, they are family?
This baby, yeah.
Ah, they are the
Yeah,
kids.
yeah.
This is an ostrich?
Baby, yeah.
So? Wow.
No.
Esatean joana. Okay, thank you. Hauntzan kakak, bastante usaiona gala iruditzen zait. Ez dakize pentsatzen zuen, nahi gogora azte keso cabralesen usaia. Ze pentsatzen zuen. Qué pasada. No he txakurra, mateu, plaian. Hello. Claramente, ne ustez eskapau nahi du, mendikan. Bitu, hor, iguana hori ikustezue. Honekin galdera batako izuet. Okorri usteiden Filipinetan neonian. Bueno. Nago, guandikan. Ar. Nitu bat hor pixkanaka. Hola. Nitu. Ze politxa. Es que hau piratzia ya, no? Hau en Dios. Bitu. Turtle. Tio, osea, bale ya, oiarrak ikusten dutela egunero, bale ya. Pirauzeat, nik ez dakatela zerra. Nina etortoka gineon. Me cago en Dios, gaina kamera, eske. Claro, torreko bat ez du zertako balio leitia, no? Mate, porque es que ez du sentiuko. Arburuan. Hola. Baina ez zai gustatzen, me cago en Dios, bitu. Atakatzea, eske atakatzea tortzea. Bueno, hemendikan. Puto gallo. Ojo al Cristo. Lasai dago, lotan dago. Hambi. Aixo hori ez jane, Nik ez dakat. Ez dakatela zerra jateko. Matxe ingo izut. Hola. Ni lasai, Ataka huite. Ahí. Bitu. Ojo al Cristo. Hone bazpare ez duela batzen sartzen. Pitón reticulado. Ditu lagetza. Ditu. Hemen ipurtzula. Prak. Sí. Vale, venga. Fran de la jungla, en Tailandia. Claro, hola jolaste omen du Bambiak. Yeah,
But many
he's doing
people
that sound.
don't
Ah.
understand him. Like, yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, when he make a sound, he has to. If the Bambi want to like fight with you, they gonna.
Yeah, not the same.
Yes, not the same. He want
Osea, urte bete omen daka Bambiak da, gaindar bat.
มาแล้ว
Aitu, Tximo. ¿Qué? Bai. Torri. Qué xalau. What kind of monkey is this?
Marmoset.
Marmoset. Qué xalau.
Oh, so cute.
Torri?
My little boy. My little boy. Huh? He nice. He want attention. My little boy.
Yeah, I think
now you big. Oh.
he thinks that you are his mother, I guess.
Yeah. Sometimes he want to take, sometimes he don't.
Don't take my earrings. Me too. No. I need that. Monkey, I need that.
People
Sé bueno.
I teach him every day. That's why I can let him freedom.
Yeah, he's very friendly. No, I need that. I need that for my hostel. Okay. Now he wants to stay with me.
Oh, that's
Come on.
yes. Okay.
Yepa. Agur. Bueno. Animaliak listo. Motuan joala ikusi gauzat, betian ikan prauna izan detena. Eta nik uste emaniko jaula. Bueno, nire lehenengo 6 tiruak. Esto gaizki, no? Bos biderriru 15 puntu. Mejoratzen, Oengoan danak dian amentzat. Eta maika gehi bi, 33. 33 puntazo. Bueno, ya está. A ver, ya... Laugarrengoan ja ez da garrasi handikan da ja pixkat aspertu naiz. Así que cambio de planes. Venga. Goizo da, baina kriston goziakat. Así que... Sopita eta pad thai. Oso merketanea 3 euro eta 60 zentimo. Eurra. Lehenengo pattaia jatetena. Tailandia. Arro. Bueno. Torria, ondartza. Txura oso naka, lasai-lasaia. Buah, perfecto. Xanik tripa bat eta hauxe berret. Playa bat itxalakin. Txango naiz. Eta hor txango gara. Atzalde pasa. Por cierto, nire toalla berria aurkeztu izuet. Bastante gusto honakin aukerautakoan ikusten. Hasi naiz motuakin improvisatzen, aldapa batzutan sartu naiz, baina nik batzutan du daiten nula, ostia, garra motuak igotzeun, baina kristonak. Eta baina hau hemen, behitu, guztu bain motoa dator, kotxe bat. Eta duetan, aurrea segio ez. Eta motuak, ja pilotua saltau dit, a ber, ez da ikustean, hau. Berotuta, hola. Eta zizait, soinurraruak egiten, motorra otu eskapia ez dakiz ostean, ez dakit peligrosuan, eta behitu, motua puskatzea, eske pela beteit. Israelia jodetzea. Así que seguiko la aventura, no? Seguiko de aurrea. Venga, base. Bueno, ja uste da jaun esera puntuik galtuenea. Eta daka, camping antzeko bat. I'm just walking around. Is this like a camping?
Yeah.
Okay.
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 If you buy something, you can drink this.
If I don't buy, can't see the views.
Yes, it's a bit bad.
Okay. It's okay. Hau flipauta. Esan didete entrance fee pagatzeko. Esan ditu. Lagaia zue ikusten da martxan got. Not possible. Bueno. Mitu se bizta ben. Horko isla hori Kopangan, ez dakit nola esaten. Eta esango nuke, eske karo, hemen ez da ikusiko, baina anatzean nik bintzat ikuste zoze, anatzeatzean, Eta hori da Kotao. Eta horrean nua, bihar. Bueno, txixeetea gau naiz, behitu ze bidetatik anoan. Eta supuestamente bide hau segita, ja generaleatako da. Bastante divertido, egia esan. Arrancau. Ale. Vamos. Listo, bukau da, diversioa. Pentsatzet kamaran ez diala aldapak apresiauko, baina, bueno, bastante guada. Asma uno guazen. Jauzie! A ber, gaurko novio dan. Un novio. A ber, hurakan, sin más. Sin más, kartel bat ikusiet, Mountain Waterfall. Allá que vamos. Hala, pues. Beitu. Gauza bat esango zuen. Bide honetatik noa eta dana pixka baserriak bezala. Esan jende baserritarra bezala, oiuak bide bazterrian da hola. Eta lasai noa. Hau izango bazan Euskal Herria, jungo nintzen kakain da. Zeba, esango zue? Txakur puta gatik. Porque han edozen momentutan atatzen zu txakur bat, eta zuratzetik korrika. Eta hemen, hor noa, a lo desconocido, baina lasai, porque txakur danak kriston kariñosoa, ja. Filipinetan bai. Hostia, lapa. Allá voy.
I think you have to buy like an item to get a parking.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's like
Ah, hello. Sorry. I did.
We parking you.
Yeah.
You buy something,
Ah, okay.
okay? And now mountain with the phone go down.
Yeah.
Okay, you look something and cheap.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank
Go
you.
down waterfall, mountain.
Okay. Is there water?
Yeah, I don't know. You look.
A little bit. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
You also going to a waterfall?
you vlogging?
Yeah. I started yesterday. My second one, but I don't even know how to edit videos. But yesterday I went to a waterfall. Well, it's supposed that it was a waterfall because you had to imagine it. There was no water.
Looked up on the Google reviews, like the latest.
Ah, okay.
Said that a week ago it said that here is a little bit of water compared to the others.
Okay. Ura omen dago, así que de puta madre. And do you live in Thailand?
Yeah, for the last year.
In Koh Samui?
No, I actually live in Phuket, but I think I'm about to move next month here.
Okay. Are you like a digital nomad?
No, I work for a Thai company.
Ah, okay. And how is the living here? You like it?
Very much. Are you from Europe?
Yeah. I'm from Basque Country, you know?
Oh, in France.
No, in France, but the Spanish part.
Oh, yeah.
I have a Spanish passport.
Yeah, I've heard about you guys.
Where are you from?
You can guess.
I can guess.
Maybe.
Yeah. I mean, because Dutch can speak English perfectly. And you are blonde, I don't know, yeah. Dutch or German, maybe.
Yeah, I'm actually 25% German, but nah, I was born and raised in Russia.
Ah, okay. Wow.
Saint Petersburg.
You don't have Russian accent?
I lived abroad for a while.
Okay.
I used to live in Europe for a long time.
Flipa. Ura. Vamos. This looks good. I'm living in the Philippines now for 6 months.
Oh yeah?
And we have a bunch of waterfalls there.
Is it beautiful out there?
Yeah.
Is it true that each fifth person have a gun? That's what I've heard.
Gun?
Yeah.
No, I've never seen a gun.
Okay. Maybe
They are like the most peaceful people I've ever met, actually.
they say that in Manila 20% of people have a gun on them.
I don't know that.
But
I live in the south, so and I'm not planning to go to Manila. Just a city. So.
Let's pick better shoes for me.
What's your name? Nick.
Yep.
Manu.
Nice to meet you. Manu?
Nice to meet you. Manu. Like Manuel?
Oh, with you. Okay.
Manu, yeah. Se para, venga. Eskenean suertia aukidet bai, baina suertiare bila bitea, hori esatu. Ole! Going to water. So my friend Nick is going to film me just going to the water. Better than yesterday.
Go for it. Vamos.
The rock is just here, but it's okay. Ooh. Mission accomplished. I found a waterfall with water. Oh no. Gusta lezua. Tipo hemendik aniko da. Nien ez sartzen hortikan nindoko. Eta ara, ino. Behara gora, eta behitu, nisa egon naiz. Hortikan pasatzen, hango kaskada juteko, eta kriston gaieta hartu. Osea, hasi nahi zigotzen nola, oso irristak hor da hola. Eta harrian kontra, joet. Roi hola, burua okotzakin. Ondo da. Unos tanto y otros tampoco. You came from here? Yeah. Nice. You look like a professional climber.
No, not at all. But I was doing it since I was a kid. So my grandma's house was next to a mountain.
Ah, okay. So Nick, tell to my friends, where are you from?
Oh yeah. I'm originally from Russia, but less known part of Russia, the southwest. I
Yeah.
grew up next to Dagestan in Chechnya. You might know Habib.
Habib, yeah.
That's our star.
Although he doesn't look like a guy from Dagestan because they are normally not like blonde, right? They
Yeah.
look like actually like Georgians, right?
Yeah. They look like Georgians, but my
Yeah.
family is Slavic, Russian, Ukrainian, Belarusian,
Yeah, okay, okay.
a little bit German. It is a place full of mountains, very beautiful.
Dagestan, where Mount Elbrus is highest mountain in Europe.
It is, and it's next to my home.
Yeah.
It's about 2.5 baht, which means that this is about 10 cents to euro. The whole pack is 10 baht, which is about 30 cents.
Nice. It's cheap.
So it is, and it's fully organic
Yeah.
and biodegradable, you know.
It may be healthy also. No, I don't think so. Menai probatzen Myanmarreko piti bat. What's this leaf? It's like the
It's a tobacco leaf.
tobacco leaf. Ah, okay.
Yes, with wild tobacco inside. Wild tobacco is called, I think, Tabaciana rustica.
Oh, okay.
It's not the one that's in cigarettes. It's the one that grows in the jungle.
You have the whole climber kit because all the climbers also smoke. You also take drugs?
No.
No, you don't.
No, no drugs.
So
Especially
you're
since
not a full climber.
No, I don't like chemical drugs. Only natural.
Okay, okay. Can I give it a try? Is it harder than normal tobacco?
I don't think so. Because it's less powerful if it's wild.
Yeah, it's soft. I mean,
It tastes nice, right? I didn't expect this from a 30-cent pack of cigarettes.
very good. Ojo, con vicio. Harlapa. Txe. Bueno, despediu ya niketaz. Eta guain, ondartza batean. Hasta la cocina. Nek Maris mamatu. You have a crazy motorbike, eh? Nahi baia zue olako bat erregalau. Guztua, eh? Tximaiu pasatzen. Habrá que probar. Hello.
How are you, mate?
Good evening.
Good evening.
How
How
are
are you?
Good. Hello. He's taking a beer.
Beer, Singa, Leo, Chang, American,
Leo.
Leo.
Yeah. You also sell joints?
Joy, I have for Thai stick,
How much?
100 baht for one pyong.
100.
Yes.
Men porrituak. If I save it here, it will be okay.
Okay.
Okay. Because
What?
I have to write after.
You have a?
I don't have, yeah, but I will save here.
Okay.
Yeah, give me one.
One.
Un porriño, ¿no?
Thai stick.
This is big, eh?
Yeah.
For me, I will be...
God.
Hostia, honekin... Good.
Okay. Better.
Ojo al Cristo, eh? Gibako lakoet. Beste filosofo batek esango zuen bezala, si fumas, te lo pasas mejor que si no fumas. Luego ya cuando eres mayor te deja tocado, pero por ahora todos son ventajas. Eso, al cabo. Está de puta madre.